In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transactions step by step in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer keeping track of finances, understanding how to manage transactions in QuickBooks can significantly simplify your bookkeeping process. So let's dive right in and make sure every transaction is correctly recorded and categorized. Once you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks dashboard. This central hub is your gateway to various sections of the platform. Now, to begin managing your interactions and transactions with customers, you'll want to locate and click on the Customers and Leads section. This area is essential for maintaining accurate records, allowing you to keep track of all communications and financial dealings with those who purchase your products or services. Within the Customers and Leads section, you should see an option for customers. Clicking on this will reveal a comprehensive list of all your current clients. Browse through this list to find the customer with whom you wish to add a transaction. Clicking on their profile is a crucial step as it ensures that the transaction gets associated with the correct customer account, thus keeping your records precise and in order. Once you're in the customer's profile, keep an eye out for an option labeled New Transaction. Clicking on this will bring up a drop-down menu presenting various transaction types you can create. For the purpose of today's tutorial, let's focus on generating an invoice, which is a common necessity for many businesses. To proceed, start detailing the invoice by adding specific products or services you've provided to this customer. QuickBooks makes this straightforward by offering fields where you can input the quantity, the rate of the product or service, and any applicable discounts. It's important to fill out these details as accurately as possible to ensure the invoice reflects the correct transaction amount, leaving no room for confusion. Once you've entered all the necessary items or services, QuickBooks will automatically calculate the total amount due for you. This feature is particularly handy as it minimizes errors that might arise from manual calculations. After reviewing the invoice for accuracy and completion, look for the Save and Send button at the bottom of the page. Clicking this will not only save the invoice within your QuickBooks records, but also offer you the option to send it straight to your customer via email. This streamlined process is a convenient way to ensure both your records and your customers' records are perfectly aligned. And there you have it, a simple yet detailed approach to managing transactions in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to keeping your financial records efficiently organized, ultimately making your accounting and tax preparations far easier down the line. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial proves helpful for managing your transactions more efficiently in QuickBooks Online.